headline today. Millions choke the streets to celebrate America's greatest holiday, your birthday. No celebration is too lavish, no present too large on this extraordinarily exceptional event. Even President Truman got in on the act. Happy birthday. So sound the alarm, call your friends, and alert the press, for today is truly the world's greatest birthday.
many return of the day. Happy birthday. તને ભગવાન સુખી રાખે, તારી બધી ચારે દિશાએથી સુખ શાંતિ આપે, તારી ઈચ્છા બધી ભગવાન પૂરી કરે. હેપી બર્થડે દીપલ.
बार बार दिल ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे दीपल, खुश रहो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. खूब शुभाशीष, शुभेच्छाओं, खूब सुखी रहो. ओके, मिलते रहेंगे.
People, wish you very happy birthday. May God bless you with lots of happiness in the life. દીપલ, આપણા કુટુંબના દરેક મેમ્બરનું તું જે રીતે ધ્યાન રાખે છે, ખરેખર તે બહુ જ એપ્રિશિએટ છે. દરેકને મદદ કરવા તું હંમેશા તૈયાર હોય છે. કોઈના પણ સારા ખોટા પ્રસંગમાં તું હંમેશા જવાબદારી લઈને ઊભી હોય છે. અને કિચનમાં દીપલ હોય એટલે કોઈએ ચિંતા નહીં કરવાની. અમારા કોવિડ વખતે પણ અમને તારો બહુ જ સપોર્ટ રહ્યો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ ફોર એવરીથિંગ. દીપલ, ભગવાનને હું પ્રાર્થના કરીશ કે 100 વર્ષનું તારું આયુષ્ય હો અને તું ખૂબ ખુશ રહો. અને ઓન લાઇટર સાઇડ બહુ હો તો 80.
Happy birthday, Deepal. To talk about you, I'll put it in a simple sentence. You came in the family as a daughter-in-law, but because of your quality, you became daughter of the family. All of your qualities, like taking care of the people or the family, taking care of the friends. Your one more quality is taking up the responsibility of anything that is coming through your way. One of the best qualities what you have is taking care and helping others. That's an excellent quality which is not commonly seen with people. Keep up that quality alive. Once again, many happy returns of the day, and may God bless you a long life.
Hi Deepal, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of happiness and wish your dreams come true. I know you can achieve whatever you want, but God's blessings are with you to achieve everything. Once again, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. Have a good life ahead. Enjoy your day.
Deepal Bhabhi, wish you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day.
Hi Bhabhi, wish you many happy returns of the day. You are such a beautiful, strong lady. I'm always inspired by you to how to maintain all the things and how to be happy for ourselves. And yes, you always support me, always stand for me. I never forgot that. I'm always thank to God to have you in my life as Jetani, as come my big sister. Thank you so much, Bhabhi. Be happy and enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Deepal Bhabhi. Since your marriage, I've seen you're not only a great pillar to Nayan and family, but your support to the extended family has been amazing. You have really stood strong in most difficult times. Your dedication and commitment in supporting Karan and Varun for their studies has been outstanding. You have worked extremely hard in last few years for your own business. I see that you take good care of each and everyone in the family and also in the extended family. So on this day, I wish you all the happiness. You have a very healthy, wealthy and a very successful life ahead. Happy birthday, Bhabhi.
Happy wala birthday, Deepal and my Jithani. Wishing you very happy birthday to my dearest sister. મને યાદ છે જ્યારે હું નાની હતી ત્યારથી જ હું જોઉં છું કે તને ડિઝાઇનિંગનો બહુ શોખ છે. તું ઘરમાં પણ રાજસ્થાની વેસ્ટ પહેરતી, ગુજરાતી ચણિયાચોળી પહેરતી, વેસ્ટર્ન આઉટફિટ્સ પહેરતી, ડોલના ક્લોથ સ્ટીચ કરતી, ડોલને મેકઅપ કરતી, ભગવાનના વાઘા કરતી. તને બધી જ વસ્તુઓ નીટ અને ક્લીન અને ટાઈડી જોઈએ. તારું વોર્ડરોબ બી એકદમ વેલ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝડ હોય. I still remember that when you were doing your fashion designing course in IITC, you really did a hard work for that. આખી રાત જાગીને તું તારા ડિઝાઇન્સ કરતી હતી અને at the same time you were doing your law and you have completed your law with the designing. And I also wanted to say that you always stood with parents. You always supported their decisions. You never let them down in any of circumstances. You always supported me in my dance and you always designed my dance costumes. You are a creative person. ઘરમાં કંઈક નવું નવું તું બનાવ્યા કરતી હોય અને કુકિંગમાં તો hats off to you. You are a very strong person and you remain strong even in very difficult situations. You are a pillar of Suthar family as well as Patel family. I'm really proud of you to have you as my sister and my sister-in-law. You are the best wife, best daughter, best sister and best mom, super mom. Wishing you a very happy, healthy and successful year ahead. તારી માટે એક સોંગ છે. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Have a great birthday. And God bless you. Live long life. I have something for you. Just watch it.
Hi Deepal Bhabhi. Many happy returns of the day. I wish આ વર્ષે બધી તમારી wish પૂરી થાય. Bye.
Happy birthday, Deepal Bhabhi. I don't know how old you are because you really never look your age. I don't know how you managed to do that with all your crazy schedule. I have always seen you running around and sometimes looking at you gets me tired. But I don't know how you managed to cook these amazing things all the time. You manage to work, you run the house, you take care of all of us and all our, you know who likes what, and you'll be giving these personal gifts and food dishes, and you'll remember when mom has her Sunday so that she can eat sweets and there'll be something coming from you. I don't know how you manage to do all these little things and take care of yourself and pursue your passion, because every time I come to the house there's some new creative thing that you've put up and it's beautiful. I don't know how you do it, and it's so amazing, and I hope you can continue doing all the things that you want to do all your life. I honestly don't remember a time that you've not been a part of the family. You've been the first bhabhi, but you've never felt like a bhabhi. You've always felt like an older sister. From us traveling to your home, to meeting all your friends, to knowing about your childhood details, to I think I remember when I had my college sari day, was the first time I came to you and you had draped my sari. You helped me wear makeup and you set my hair and all of that. And after that, I think forever, every time I've needed makeup advice, I've come to you. You've taught me how to wear makeup till even last year when I wanted to buy stuff. I know I've called you up. My college projects, oh my god, like my college literally felt like I had called some professionals to do the project. That crazy scarecrow that you had made for my Sophia project, everyone still remembers. You've just always been there, and it's beautiful to have you, and you've just been there taking care of us, helping us, teaching us. So many things that I've learned to manage in the kitchen or to do stuff has just been by following you around. It was just a done thing that every time there was a family thing, a family function, or all of us would gather, I would just follow you around, and I've just learned so much from you. You've always had the energy, the spirit, and the heart and the sensitivity to just take care of everyone, which is just the most beautiful thing. It's beautiful how I know we will always come to you for advice. I know in the middle of the night, even today, if we call you, you'll be there. It's just so nice to have you around, and I don't know how you've managed to raise these two beautiful, beautiful boys with all their craziness and with all their crazy demands. You've taken care of everyone's interests. Even today, the gifts that you gave are so thoughtful. Your my favorite dupatta, all of that, all these little things that you've brought into the family has just been the most beautiful thing to have. And I hope and wish that you have a crazy birthday. I hope I'm celebrating with you, and hope you have a very long, happy, content, joyous life where you are living every dream that you've ever had. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. I hope you have the best birthday ever. Now, Deepal Bhabhi, you have come into my life from when I was 7 years old. Right from then, you have taken care of my wardrobe with that first chanya choli that you stitched for me. It was beautiful. Every time that I have any friends' weddings coming up, I go into major panic mode. I completely stress out. And Deepal Bhabhi has saved me like last minute with not just choosing of like what to wear, what earrings, what shoes, not just choosing what to wear, but she is extremely generous. She will open up her whole wardrobe for me to take whatever I want, and it's just amazing how generous she is. Her wardrobe is like a shop. It's crazy. And not just with clothes, she has always been generous with everything, with food, with generally helping out no matter what. Like if there is ever a crisis situation, I know who to call, and it's her. Even though, and she's always been, ever since she first came in, she has been a part of the family. It's never felt like someone else, you know. And Deepa Bhabhi, I'm very grateful to you for everything. Like, I know if there's ever a crisis, I know I'm going to call you up, because I know you're there. Like, there's a sense of security that you give us all, which I am very grateful for. Apart from that, I admire how you balance everything, right from work to raising two notorious teenage boys and taking care of everyone. Like it's amazing how you do it all. And even though I call you Bhabhi, you are more like a sister to me. You're so much like my sister that you have more traits in common with my own mom than Pinky and I have. You guys are exactly the same with your approach to life and with everything. And the only birthday wish I have for you is that I wish you all the world's happiness, and I hope all your dreams are fulfilled and you feel absolutely content no matter what. I hope you have no regrets in life and you are just at your happiest, best version.
So, a very happy birthday to you, Mom. I literally cannot express my feelings for you, and don't know how to thank you enough for all the things you have done for me, right from when I was a kid until now. thanks for the amazing food you make, and please shout less, have patience, and may God bless you with happiness.
Hi, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day, Mommy.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Thank you for supporting us in every time, and especially me when I am down. So enjoy your day and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Deepu Masi. I miss you so much, and thank you for all the clothes you sent me on my birthday. I really love them. I would like to play a song for you. Once again, happy birthday. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mota Mummy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mota Mummy. Joy of you. Bye.
બોલ
Happy birthday,
મોટા મમ્મા.
Mota Mama.
હાય દીપલ, મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. આજના દિવસે તારી જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભકામનાઓ, અને ભગવાન તને ખૂબ સુખ સમૃદ્ધિથી ભરપૂર શાંતિમય દીર્ઘાયુષ આપે એવી જ પ્રાર્થના. હેપી બર્થડે.
Happy birthday, Deepal. Many happy returns of the day. This is for you.
And this is for you.
Happy birthday to you. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Deepu Masi. May you have the best birthday ever. We have something to show you. Wait. નયન, લેટ થઈ છે. મને રેડી તો થવા દો. શું કરો છો? કોઈ મને રેડી ના થવા દે. ઓકે ફાઇન. હવે હું રેડી છું બર્થડે માં જવા. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day with lots of love and fun. Bless you always.
Hi Deepu Masi, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
હેલો દીપુ, જન્મદિવસની ખૂબ ખૂબ વધામણી, અને પ્રભુને બી પ્રાર્થના કે તારી બધી જ ઈચ્છાઓ પૂરી કરે અને હંમેશા તબિયત સારી રહે. હું એટલી બધી લકી છું કે મને તારા જેવી ફ્રેન્ડ મળી છે, because it's more than a friend, more than a sister. I don't know what kind of relation we are sharing, and as a friend I'm sharing like long distance relation with you. ડાયવોર્સ લોકોના થઈ જતા હોય છે, હસબન્ડ વાઈફના બી દૂર રહેતા હોય ત્યારે. હું તને 16 વર્ષ વચ્ચે નથી મળી, તો બી આપણી ફ્રેન્ડશિપ એવી ને એવી જ છે, અને એટલા વર્ષ પછી બી હું મળી તને તો એવું જ લાગ્યું કે જાણે પેલી દીપુ હતી એ જ દીપુને હું મળી છું. અને ક્યારેક તો એવું લાગે છે કે કદાચ નરેન્દ્ર જોડે લગ્ન ના કર્યા હોત અને તારી જોડે કર્યા હોત તો બી વાંધો નહોતો, આપણે બંને હંમેશા હેપી અને ખુશ જ રહેત. And love you darling, and wishing you the best in your life.
હેપી બર્થડે દીપલ. જ્યારે ફોરમે મને તારી બર્થડે માટે વિડીયો બનાવવાનું કહ્યું ત્યારે આઈ વોઝ લાઈક ફર્સ્ટ થોટ આઈ કેમ ઇન માય માઇન્ડ કે આપણે સૌથી પહેલાં ક્યારે મળ્યા હતા, કેવી રીતે મળ્યા હતા, પણ સમહાઉ એક તો મને રિકોલ નથી થયું કે આપણે કેવી રીતે મળ્યા. એક જ સેક્શનમાં સાથે હતા એટલે ધીરે ધીરે સાથે રહેતા ફ્રેન્ડશિપ થઈ. પણ આઈ વુડ ટેલ યુ વન થિંગ કે યુ આર ધ ફર્સ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ ઓફ માય લાઈફ, એન્ડ આઈ એમ લકી ટુ હેવ યુ ઇન માય લાઈફ. સ્કૂલના વન્ડરફુલ ડેઝ, એક જ સેક્શનમાં હતા, એટલે સો મેની થિંગ્સ વી ડીડ ટુગેધર. કોઈ સ્કૂલ ઇવેન્ટ્સની સ્પોર્ટ્સ ઇવેન્ટ હોય કે ક્લાસની કલ્ચરલ ઇવેન્ટ હોય કે એની ડેમ થિંગ, વી ડીડ ઓલ ટુગેધર એન્ડ વી હેડ સો વન્ડરફુલ મેમરીઝ ઓફ અવર સ્કૂલ લાઈફ. ઇવન 8th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ઓનવર્ડ જ્યારે આપણા સેક્શન અલગ થઈ ગયા, સ્ટીલ આપણે સ્કૂલે સાથે જતા આવતા હતા. તારા ઘરે અમારું સ્ટોપ હોય જ, સાયકલ ઉપર જવાના આવવાના એ દિવસો. It was really, I can't describe those memories. Like આપણે સાથે રાત્રે ભેગા થઈને ભણતા હતા, રાત્રે કંઈક ગરમ ગરમ ખાવાનું ખાઈને બનાવતા, વાસણો ક્લીન કરી દેતા અને નેવર એન્ડિંગ ટોક્સ. આપણે સમર વેકેશનમાં મારા ઘરે ટેરેસ ઉપર કેરીઓ તોડીને ખાતા હતા, તને યાદ હોય તો. લાઈક those days were golden days. અને પછી ધીરે ધીરે આપણી પાથ સેપરેટ થતા ગયા. આઈ ટુક સાયન્સ, યુ ટુક કોમર્સ, એન્ડ પછી લાઈફમાં ધીરે ધીરે વી ઓક્યુપાઈડ ઇન અવર ડિફરન્ટ પ્રાયોરિટીઝ એન્ડ ઓલ. અને આઈ ડોન્ટ નો, આઈ વોઝ જસ્ટ રિકોલિંગ કે સિન્સ યર્સ આપણે મળ્યા પણ નથી. સો આઈ વિશ કે વી મીટ ઇન નિયર ફ્યુચર. And once again, I wish you a very, very happy birthday. You get a happy, healthy, wealthy life. Bye.
Hi Deepak, happy birthday. God fulfill all your dreams. God bless you. Have a good day.
રમવાનું, લગ્ન કરાવવાના, ગુड्डा ગુड्डीના, મહેંદી લગાડવાની, પથરા ફેંકવાના, વાસણ બનાવવાના માટીમાંથી. શું નથી શીખ્યું તારી પાસે? કપડાં સીવવાના, ઢીંગલીના, અને સાયકલિંગ કરવાનું, આંબા પરથી કેરીઓ તોડવાનું. કેટલું બધું કર્યું છે આપણે બે. ખરેખર એ બાળપણની એ યાદો, ગરબા રમવાની આખી આખી રાત, આખો દિવસ બહેનો આપણને લડે તો બી એ જ કરવાનું જે ઈચ્છા થાય. મારા માટે તે લડ ખાવો, લાફા ખાવા, બધું જ કર્યું છે દીપલ. તે મને ખાવાનું બનાવતા શીખવાડ્યું, તે મને સાફ સફાઈ કરતા શીખવાડ્યું. મહેંદી તો હંમેશા તું જ લગાડતી હતી. અને કેટલું બધું વીત્યું છે આપણા બેવની વચ્ચે. દેર આર નો વર્ડ્સ ફોર ઇટ. આપણે લોકો આખી જે ચોરી કરીને ગાડીઓ લઈને નીકળતા હતા મરી, અને પછી પાછા છાના માના આવતા હતા. આખી રાત દિવાળી ફટાકડા ફોડવા, આખી રાત મસ્તી કરવી, કેટલું આંબાની કેરીઓ તોડવી, એ બી હંસા માસીની ચોરી છુપે. માય ગોડ, there's so much, so many years we have passed. Me calling you Kari Kabutri all the time, and see what a beautiful girl you are now. I can't tell you are a woman, you are so pretty. And amazing. You are so rocking. The way you design your clothes, the way you are as a mother, as a friend. I'm so happy that I know you and we are friends till date. So many things passed, but our friendship has never changed, and that is the blessing. That is the biggest blessing of my life. We have shared so much pain, so much love, and so much is there to... I have no words for it. On this day, I can only say this much. You are very, very special, a best woman I ever know, and one girl who knows how to be as beautiful as a butterfly. Every time when you are in problem, you come up with a different shade. I'm so happy for you. Wish you many, many happy returns on this day, and all your years may be filled with joy and love. And come soon, meet soon, spend my night with me. I want you to be with me for a long, long time. It's been so long. So either you come to Ahmedabad or me come to Mumbai. I don't know what we have to set, but we have to be in touch. It's been very long period. Love you, miss you so much.
Hi Deepal, a very happy birthday to you and a wonderful life ahead. મારી પાસે ઘણી બધી એવી યાદો છે કે જે હું શેર કરી શકું છું, પણ એક વસ્તુ હંમેશા હું કોઈ દિવસ નહીં ભૂલું કે ધ્રુમી પહેલી વાર તારા ઘરે ચાલતા શીખી હતી. પછી 1900 મારું આખું કિચન, જ્યારે હું જુદી રહેવા ગઈ ત્યારે તે આખું કિચન સેટ કરી આપ્યું હતું, કેમ કે મને આવડતું જ નહોતું. હંમેશા તે મને ટેકો કર્યો છે, હંમેશા થેન્ક યુ ફોર યોર ઓલ સપોર્ટ. બહુ જ તે મને ટેકો કર્યો છે. ભગવાનને હું પ્રાર્થના કરીશ કે તું હંમેશા આવી હસતી જ રહે અને હંમેશા સુખી રહે. એવી હું ભગવાનને દિલથી પ્રાર્થના કરીશ. થેન્ક યુ ફોરમ કે તે મને આ વિડીયોનો પાર્ટ બનાવ્યો. દીપલ, એન્જોય કરજે તારો ડે, ખૂબ ખૂબ રાજી રહેજે, ખૂબ હસજે અને મને યાદ કરજે. થેન્ક યુ.
Happy birthday to you, Deepal. Have a wonderful day ahead. ખૂબ ખુશ રહે અને ખૂબ એન્જોય કર. Happy birthday again. God bless you.
Hi Deepu, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a blast on this day. Enjoy your day. Party hard like there is nothing like tomorrow. Enjoy yourself. Spoil max yourself and have fun. Again, wishing you a very happy birthday. Take care.
Happy birthday to fabulous and fashionista best friend of mine. You look amazing and graceful in everything you do. Best friends are hard to get. So today on this day, I want to tell you, Deepal, that how much your friendship means to me. Deepal, you are a multi-talented person. You are an amazing mother, loving wife, smart chef, creative person, creative designs, a friend whom I can count on, and blah blah blah. So to cut the long story short, I want to tell you, Deepal, that I thank every day to give me a wonderful friend like you. Happy birthday and wish you all happiness and success in life.
Hi Deepal, happy birthday. I still remember the first time we met at Tinkerbell. Since then, our journey has been wonderful, as we have been to many trips and have done many together. Deepal, once again, happy birthday. Nayan said, have a wonderful day with Deepal and enjoy. Chai mein yaad rakhna. Cheers.
Hi Deepal, many happy returns of the day. We started our journey together with our kids. It is still going on and hope it continues ahead also. Hope you have a great day and have a safe, happy and a healthy life ahead. Bye.
Birthday. Happiest birthday, Deepal, man.
Jalwa, Jalwa. Yo, blaze up the walk, light it up to the beat. Come on, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Give it to me, Jalwa. Gorgeous with attitude in every latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on, baby, do your duty work.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा.
Tell them like it is. I couldn't hear.
दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
Throw it up, throw it up.
जलवा. आग सी रवानियां. Yo, I know a lot of yo wouldn't expect you. लेती गए अंगड़ाइयां. Come on, yo, I'm the hottest girl around. ये जला दे दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा.
She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. You by my side as the music is soaring. Go on shouting and roaring.
Tell me.
Dancing all night.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबां को अफसाना, हर किसी जलवा ये जलवा फैशन का है ये जलवा ये जलवा ये जलवा Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Here's a birthday wish for you. Happy birthday.